Hi, welcome to Tool Spec. So today we have a little project. We're going to build a bench down there, able to sit down and watch the ocean. This project, we have 6 pressure treated 2x6. Usually on this channel I showcase most of the power tools that are battery operated, but we're going to do something a little bit different this time. For this project here, we're going to use the Mitre Saw number TSS702, which is the corded version. Saw have an extension of 6¼ inch. There is an automatic guard for it, but if you have a bigger piece, you can always move the guard out of your way. You can adjust the depth of your cut by adjusting this adjusting screw right here. You can extend the saw or lock it up so it doesn't move on you. It comes with an adjusting clamp here to hold your piece down as you're cutting. If you unscrew this dial here and press this lever down, you can move your saw 45° one way or 45° the other way. After you finish setting up your angle, just make sure that you screw the snub back in so that it's locked and it doesn't move on you. You can also adjust your tilting angle by unscrewing the snub, and you can cut into a 45 sideway as well. It's a little bit hard to see here, but there is a light in here with the on-off switch on the handle. The trigger have a lock on the side here, which need to be pushed sideways before you can press the trigger. This saw run on a 120 volt and a 10 amp circuit. It rotates at 5,350 RPM. It uses a 7¼ inch blade. Also comes with 2 handles here you can install on each side to help you carry the saw around. If you need to replace the blade here, it looks like to me that it's a 10mm Allen key, and then you're going to lock the blade in place in order to turn the Allen key with this button here. Now let's see how this saw does, and go ahead and build that bench. At the end of the day, this Mitre Saw does an awesome job. It cuts nice and smooth. All of the angle that you're going to need for most of your build, it can do them. And yeah, we didn't have no problem with it. Didn't bug at all on us. Everything goes smooth. And obviously the advantage that you have from electric over battery power is that you don't have to worry about running out of power while you're doing your cut. If you're interested in this bench and you want to make one yourself, this bench is from the YouTube channel Rog Engineer. I'll put a link in the description and you can go and check it out. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't